It's not that I don't want you here.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kimberly. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It's on some part of the screen, I don't know, but hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. Become a part of the CK gang. So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Weskis Hair, and y'all, I love how my hair turned out. I'm feeling it, definitely feeling it. It's just giving me vibes, and it's body, it has a lot of body, and I'm just loving how it turned out. So if y'all are interested in seeing how I achieved this, and y'all should definitely keep on watching. It's literally the body of the hair for me. This hair had so much body. But shout outs again to Weskis Hair. Let's get into this video. So guys, this is what we're working with. I had already washed the hair, and I also bleached the knots just to make it, you know, better. So this is what it's looking like. This is their 24-inch 13x6 lace frontal. It is a body wave wig with 180% density. It has HD lace. I must say guys, it is 180% density. Like, the density on this is insane. It's really full. Already washed the hair and I bleached the knots. I don't know if I did a very good job at bleaching the knots, but we did something, and in the end it will look great. So that's what we're working with. It is supposed to be a 13x6 guys, but the parting on the side is a little to none, and because of that I couldn't pluck the side really, because as soon as I started plucking it would be close to where the track would show. But the middle area though, it's really 6 inches. The parting goes really far back, and as I said, the hair is 180% density, and it is a true 180 density. It is so full. I really wanted to pluck more on the sides, but I wasn't able to, but I still made it work. This is me cutting off the ear tabs. Guys, this is like the hardest part for me, because if you cut the ear tabs bad, you will have issues like putting on your wig. But I did manage to cut it, you know, pretty decent, so it was okay. But do y'all see how thick this hair is? Like, that's all I'm saying. It just looks like really healthy hair. It looks so good. I love the quality of their hair. I must give that to them. So I'm just like cutting my wig cap, and I always apply my wig in sections. It's way easier to handle, and it just makes everything sit better in my opinion. You can do it however works for you. And I'm gonna clean my forehead off with some alcohol, and then guys, what I've been doing is using a skin protectant before applying my wig, and I feel like this just makes the hair stay. I don't know what about it, if it just like causes this barrier on the skin that makes the wig stay, but it makes my wig stay way longer. It's nice and tacky. I just pull the lace down into into the spray, and it'll stick as long as it's like dried enough. It'll stick, and I just continue with my blow dryer on cool, and you literally feel it tightening up. That's how you know that it was nice and tacky. You'll feel it tightening up, and then I just use my comb and press the lace into the spray. And I'm doing this on the other side, same as how I did the middle section. And guys, this hair is really, really nice. It holds a curl very well. I have to tell you that. At first, I was worried when I washed the hair and it dried and the body wave was kind of like gone. But once I curled it, it held the curl really nice. The only thing I will say, I don't think this wig is a beginner wig. It requires a lot of work. I had to do a good amount of plucking. I don't know if it's pre-plucked, but it wasn't giving me that. I feel like you have to go in and pluck this unit. So if this is your first time with a wig and you have no clue what you're doing, I don't think this would be like a go-to choice. But if you got someone doing your hair, or if you know about wigs, then this would be perfect, because guys, the density is just really good and it's so full. It looks so lustrous. It literally gives healthy hair vibes. That's all I'm gonna say. The lace before proceeding. After cutting the lace off, guys, I took some hair out for my baby hairs, and honestly, this really is HD lace, because after spraying it, it melted so well into my skin and it looked really nice. But for the sides, I wanted to just do like a swoop, just like two swoops, one on either side, and then I did do like some sideburns, but nothing too crazy. I just wanted like a nice little swoop, and that would be it. At this point, I was trying to decide if I wanted a side or center part, but I really wanted to try a side part, so that is what I ended up doing. But after cutting the lace off, guys, I went in with this ebon spray, and the red can, I don't remember the name of it, but the red can, guys, I use it on top of the lace to get the lace to melt, and I try to not put it in the hair so we don't have that crunchy, crusty feel going onto the hair. So I apply this directly to the lace, and then I tie it down for like 20 minutes.
I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead, I fell off myself and I just can't.
I'm just cutting some layers in the hair. Honestly, I wanted to use some shears, but the shears that I had were some cheap shears that I got, so they were really dull. So I just went in with this razor comb, which made it really easier. I'm cutting some layers in the hair, and I literally just cut in a downward motion, and I try to do like a gradient effect, so when I curl the hair, it won't just like be on one level, and the curls will actually stay, because when the hair is on one level. The curls don't stay, they fall out real quick, so it's good to cut your hair in layers. So I'm just like judging that and cutting in a downward motion and making sure it looks gradient.
It's all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true, or maybe.
Now that I have the hair exactly how I want it, I'm going in with some heat protectant and I'm working that all through the hair just so when I start curling, I don't have to go back and do this step. And guys, I'm not the best at curling hair, so I was using my curling one. I know I wanted some loose curls and I did a thing. At first it wasn't really working out, but then it worked out. So
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. I won't stop until it's over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling.
and we're back, guys. The makeup is done. Your girl is feeling cute and the hair is looking really nice. I'm loving how the hairline turned out. Everything just looks really thick and lush. And y'all, I'm taking now my quote-unquote pin curls because I really didn't have the right tools. I used every single clip that I could find just to hold them up, but I'm taking my pin curls out and then I'm just gonna go through with a white tooth comb. But this is the finished result basically, and I really like it. I love the lace on this hair. I love the density of the hair. The only problem I had was the plucking, and also with the side that I wasn't able to pluck as much. But the middle section, guys, it goes all the way back, so you get a full 6 inches. I just really wish the side was a little bit longer, but it's okay. You can do a side part on either part. and I'm just finishing up and doing my final touches. Like, let me know down below, guys, if you like this hair. I really love the finished results of this hair. As I said, it's not a beginner unit. You have to do some work, but besides that, it's amazing. You will love this hair. Westkiss always sends me good hair. I've never gotten hair from them that wasn't of good quality. So you can definitely check them out and get hair from them. Their hair is really amazing and full. If you like this hair, all the links for it will be in the description box below, guys. Thank you so much for watching another video of mine. Be sure to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I love you guys. Now watch me just like work this hair. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah,